Hi guys, it's been a while. This is my first video in 2022 and I'm gonna do my everyday makeup because I feel like that's a video that a lot of people have been requesting and I thought we'd just get ready together. Everyone asked me where this is from and I literally don't know. Someone just sent it to me. I think it's so cute. I, as you know, wear my makeup very natural every day. So if you're expecting some sort of glam, this is not the video for you. But if you want something that's just nice and subtle and chill, this is a video for you. I'm gonna start with the L'Oreal True Match LUMI Glotion. And this is my base. My face is like, I do still have a little bit of a tan from Costa Rica. So I don't know like how well anything's gonna match, but we're gonna try our best here. That is a nice little drugstore product. I actually love this product a lot. Highly recommend. For face, I have been using this Klee thing in medium light and I think it's really nice. It's like one of these products that it goes on white and then it like, I don't know, activates with your skin or something and covers it up. See? It's a little bit light, I would say, for maybe my body, but it's nothing that we can't fix with a little bronzer. See what I mean? But it's really nice. I actually think I will put a little bit too much on. And most of these products you can get on Revolve Beauty. This video is sponsored by Revolve Beauty. Well, sponsored by Revolve, and these are beauty products you can get on Revolve. And I love Revolve Beauty because there's a lot of products on there that like are maybe more difficult to get. I also think like smaller brands, and I also think Revolve shipping is like 10 out of 10. You literally get the product the next day and it's insane. I also like to use my hands for my foundation. Like I hate the feeling of product on my hands, but I just like the finish. You know what? It's really buffed out to be the perfect color. Especially with that little LUMI Glotion underneath, it's perfect. I got a little, I don't know why I'm saying little, nothing is little. I got a brush set from Revolve too. This is a Sigma brush set. And I really like the brushes in here. I'm just gonna buff it out with this foundation brush. It also comes in this cute little sparkle bag. Okay, concealer. This is where I feel like I've been having some issues. My concealer doesn't really match, so we're gonna mix some together. We're gonna mix the IT Cosmetics by Under Eye, just like literally small little dab. This stuff goes a long way. And the Rose Ink concealer in LX060, which is a little bit darker. I buffed out the concealer. I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and this is the Lime Crime Bushy Brow Stronghold Gel. I am a huge fan of this. I do find it runs out a little bit quickly, but I think the product is amazing. That's the base. For bronzer, I use a few different bronzers. First, I'm gonna start with Chanel. This stuff is 10 out of 10, worth every penny, love it. It's just absolutely stunning and beautiful. And this is my second pot of it. It lasts so long because it's obviously so big. It's just a great, great, great product. This is also a Sigma brush. I pretty much exclusively use Sigma brushes, and I love that you can get those on Revolve now. So there's a ton of different Sigma brushes on Revolve. They're just like, I don't know, they're just my favorite. I've been using them for so long. I feel like it's a big old school YouTube. Sigma and like Morphe brushes were like the only brushes. Okay, so that, and then I'm using Sunkissed by NUDESTIX. Again, another favorite. And this is just like warm up the face a little bit. Has more of like, it's like more of like a blush. Kind of, you can use it as a blush and it's really beautiful. Let's just blend that out. I just really put it like where the sun would like really hit my face. Some people are very precise with makeup. I cannot say the same. One time I want to try to do like baddie makeup, see if I can do it. I don't think I can. I feel like I just like don't know how they do it. Base, but we're not done. I really like cream products. I just love them. I also think like, not that I'm old, but as you get older, like, I don't know, cream products just sit better on your skin. I think they look more natural. I'm gonna use Cherry Blossom Babe by NUDESTIX. Mine is going through something. Love NUDESTIX blushes because they are extremely pigmented. So you only need a little bit, which means they last literally forever, which is great. Cherry Blossom Babe is like a beautiful pink color, and I'm just putting a little bit on because I'm gonna layer something on top. Just gives like a nice sun-kissed look. I'm gonna layer the absolute internet-breaking, the GLOWGASM Beauty Light Wand by Charlotte Tilbury. Revolve has Charlotte Tilbury products on their website now, which is 10 out of 10. I love Charlotte Tilbury. This stuff literally broke the internet, and it's amazing. If you want glow and like nice sun-kissed, kind of a little bit of like a sunburn look, this is it. This is the product. It's so beautiful. It gives such a pretty glow. It was sold out everywhere, but it's back. Okay, now since I went a little ham on the blush, I just clean up the bottom with my foundation brush, kind of give it a sharper edge. And now for powder, I love the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter powder. Oops, I've been using it for a while. I don't put that much powder on my face, just in areas that I feel like the makeup kind of comes off. So with this, this is actually a Charlotte Tilbury brush. I just like swirl it, tap off extra, and then I kind of just like pat it where I need it. Kind of keep away from the blush area because maybe like a little bit, but I want that glow. I think when you put powder here is when you kind of look cakey. That's not how I'm trying to look. Where I do need powder is on my eyelids, because my eyelids crease so much. So I'll put full powder on the lids. Another product I really like that I do want to show you because I still use it a lot is this HOURGLASS Ambient Lighting Bronzer. This is absolutely beautiful. And it's like, I just like kind of put it where my bronzer is to like set the bronzer. And I'm happy putting this over my blush as well as like a setter, but it just has the most beautiful light glow to it. I love it so much. That's my face. That's literally what I do. Easy. That takes like 5 minutes in the morning, and then I'll set my face. The smell of this, I have like, it's like triggering for me because I think it smells exactly like a body lotion I used to use in like university, high school. I don't know. Triggering though. So I'll just let that sit. I do use a liquid liner. This is the Sigma one, but I don't do like a full wing every day. I just kind of like extend the eye a little bit, like literally the smallest amount. Of course, when I'm on camera, just that. I need a brush. Then I'll take, this is from that kit. That kit's actually really good. It has some eye brushes and some face brushes. And I kind of just like blend it out so it's like soft. You guys are probably gonna be like, I can't see anything you're doing, and I'm gonna be like, yeah, I don't know. I can barely see what I'm doing. Okay, so I just do like a really small wing. Is this like the best wing I've ever done? No, but that always happens every time I do my makeup on camera. And then lately, I've been curling my eyelashes, which is very new to me because I've literally never done that in my entire life. If you're gonna buy one thing off Revolve, it's gonna be this mascara. This mascara is it. It's Kojen Do. I think I've talked about it before. I love it. It's like a tubing mascara, so it's easy to get off, which is like #1 thing I look for in mascara is like how easy is it to get off my face, because washing my face is my least favorite activity in the whole world. But my favorite part about it is definitely the tubing aspect. Oh my god. No. I just got a ball. Now there's mascara all over my face. Fuck. We're just gonna wait till that dries so I can get it off. To get mascara off my face, which I do every single time, I use like a spoolie and I just scrape it off. That's the face, and then what I do, I wipe my lips off. I have concealer and foundation all over them. I take a lip liner. I have a lot of different ones. Patrick Ta, She's Humble is one of my favorites, but I did hear it was being discontinued, so that's devastating. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat in Iconic Nude. So I'm gonna take this, and what I personally like to do is fill in my Cupid's bow. I have a really intense one. People are gonna be like, I would kill for a Cupid's bow, and I think it's nice. But to like draw the Cupid's bow every single day, I just like can't get behind, so just going over it is just easier and quicker, and that's all I'm about. And then I'm gonna take Pillow Talk. They have this thing on Revolve right now, which is like a little minis of all the Charlotte Tilbury best lipsticks, and I think it's so great because one, I rarely go through a thing of lipstick, and two, you can try out which ones you like. So I'm gonna use Pillow Talk, which is standard, and what I think it does is just like makes the Iconic Nude a little more pinky, which I need for my own lips. And then that's really it, guys. I wanted to show you the brushes that came in the Sigma set because I feel like I didn't show you all of them, but they're really great. It's a really great travel set. You get the foundation brush, you get a blending brush, which I sometimes put bronzer in my crease if I'm feeling a little like I want to do a little more. And then you get this like thin brush, which is great for a shadowed wing liner. And then you get like a flat shader brush. I'm pretty sure you can get one more brush too, but I can't find it. So I just want to show you that because it's a great set and I actually really like it for travel. So that's my everyday makeup. It's really simple and easy. Like I can get my makeup done in, I don't want to say 5 minutes because I think that's a lie, but 10 minutes, no problem. That's it. All the products will be linked down below. Thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Peace and love. Bye.